Grok is no longer free again. You're still stressing about that? What do you mean? There are better free alternatives now.
If Grok is no longer free for you, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you 3 powerful free alternatives you can start using right now. And just in case you have not seen my video where I talked about a platform where you can access Grok for free, check this video right here. I'll also drop the link in the description so you can watch it after this tutorial. Before we dive in, my name is Abasiofon Emmanuel. I'm a brand strategist for busy business owners, and on this channel, I share tips on content, positioning, strategy, and AI. If these are things that interest you, make sure you hit the subscribe button right away. So without wasting much time, let's dive in. So the first Grok alternative we're going to be using is Zsky AI. So you go to your browser and type in Zsky AI. So I want you to take note of this. Particular platform you're going to select here is this one that has this Z symbol on top of it. This particular one, look at it. This is the one you're going to click on. Here on the platform, you have different options here. We have sign in and we have start free. If you already have an account, you click on sign in. If you don't have an account, you click on start free. So when you are here, the best option I exactly recommend is clicking on continue with Google. So you click on continue with Google to create your account. Then select a particular Gmail that you want to use. So all you have to do is just click on continue to confirm the particular Gmail you've selected. So when you sign in, you see this interface. You have 300 credits. You have refer and earn. That means you can also refer people to this platform and you earn from it. Now what are you earning? You are earning credits. So when you look at this particular place, look at this down parts where you have what is Zsky AI about. Look at this down part. This is what I'm concerned about. You have, they say Zsky AI gives every creator 200 free credits at sign up plus 100 daily when logged in with no watermark, no sign up required, and free commercial use rights. So it means that when you sign up here, you have 200 free credits, and when you sign in every day, you get 100 credits. So just try to sign in every single day so you get credits. Then there's no watermark when you generate your video. So they also said no sign up required and full commercial use rights 100%. So you are free to use your videos on your social media platforms. So you see this particular place where you have a photorealistic portrait. So this is where you're going to paste your prompts. Then you have image. If you look at it, you see 2 credits here. You see video, you see 5 credits. So image to video, you have 6 credits. Then chat, you have 0 credits. So if you are going to be chatting here, just like ChatGPT, you are going to chat for free. Then upscale, we have 3 credits. So if you want to upscale your image, you want to increase the quality of your image or your video, okay, yeah, it's only for image. Upload an image above, okay, just for image. If you want to upscale your image, that's you want to increase the quality of the image, it costs you 3 credits here. So it's going to this place where you have upload a source image for image to video. So you're going to click here to upload your image. So then when you uploaded your image like this, it said your image uploaded, enter a prompt and click animate. So yeah, I've pasted my prompt. Animate this image of a young Nigerian woman speaking naturally to the camera. So all I have to do here is click on animate. So when I clicked on animate, it brought me to this interface. So I have to redo everything I need to do again. That's this. I think this is how the platform works. Okay. So I'm going to this particular place where you have this image. This is where I'm going to upload my image. Then the image symbol. I'm see my prompt already here. Animate this image of a young Nigerian. It's already here. So it's just more like a continuation. So just fill in the remaining details that you want to fill in. So I want to take note of this. Remember before we had image 2 credits. The cost was 2 credits. So right now, image you have 1 credit. So your video will cost you 45 credits to generate. So you have to let go of the other one that we had before. So this is the re-interface. This is what you are going to be using to create your video. So we're working with this one. 45 credits where you generate your video here. So I clicked on sing, and this is what I have here. So I don't think we need it for our video creation right now. So I click on this HD here. These are resolutions. We have 180p, 2K, 4K. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to leave that HD. Then this is aspect ratio. I clicked on this 16:9 and I saw all of these options. We have different aspect ratios here. 1:1, 2:3, 3:2, 9:16, and 16:9. I'll leave that 6:9 for the sake of this tutorial. So I've also uploaded my image here. All I have to do was click on the plus sign. So we have another one here. You can click on it to upload another image. Maybe like you want 2 images to appear in your video. So before we click on send, we have this place where you call scribe sound or tap. This particular place, it's optional. If you want to, maybe you have a sound in mind you want to add, you can describe it so it will come alongside with your video. So when you are done selecting all these things, all you have to do is click on this particular place to start generating your video. So now the video is generating video plus audio. Then we have queued. So you're not the only person using the platform, it's definitely have queue. So you also have to wait for it to generate, especially when it is free. So we have here skip the wait, remove ad. Okay, this one is just like their message. We have second in line, so it's turn by turn. So I'm currently first in line. The video will soon be generated. All right, the video will be generated. All you have to do is click on it. So this is our video here. You can hold it to download. So it will download it to your device. Look at it, has been downloaded to our device already. Just hold it and click on download to use it on your device. So this is the video here. I'm going to play it. So if you notice, the image was just moving. There was no matte movement. The particular prompt I gave to it was a prompt that's supposed to make it speak, but it wasn't speaking. So this particular video, this particular platform is best if you want to do more like a storytelling. You want to add a voice over. You just want to animate the images. It's good for that. Okay. So if you want more like a dialogue, you want the character to speak or the avatar to speak, you may not really get that particular stuff you are looking for. Okay, so if you want to just animate hand movement, leg movement, body movement, eye movement, that kind of movement that you want the character to exhibit, you can actually do it here. So now if you look up, you see 255 credits, so 45 credits out of it. That means you can still generate more videos here, just 45 credits per video, and you are good to go. Like I said, log in every day so you can get credits to use to generate your videos. So the next Grok alternative you can try is Grok AI. So this is the particular platform you are using. Just click on this particular platform. So for me, I already have an account. So all I'm going to do is click on Try Grok Studio. So you can click on it, and also you can create your account by continuing with Google. So this is the interface of the particular platform. This is it. So this is my account. All I'm going to do is click on this place where I have how can I help you to this. So I'm going to paste my prompt. So the first thing I'm going to do is click on this particular plus symbol. There's two different options. There you have upload attachment, or you have file, image, video, audio. Then you have deep research, we have create image, we have create video, web development, and slides. Okay, so our business here is to create video. So I'm going to click on create video. So before that, based on the way I'm recording, I'm going to select my file first. So I'm going to click on upload attachment. So I've uploaded the image I want to animate, the same image you animated in the other platform, which is SuperGrok AI. So I'm going to click on this plus symbol again. This time I'm going to select video. So it simply means I want to create a video. So I want to animate this image. I want to turn it to a video. Then this place where you have describe the video you want to generate, I'm going to paste my prompt. So I'm using the same prompt I used to animate the image in SuperGrok AI. The same prompt. So this is the prompt. Animate this image of a young Nigerian woman speaking naturally to the camera. This is it. This is the prompt I use. So yeah, sure that everything is set. All you have to do is click on send. This arrow, send, click on it. So it generates it. Now you see this place where we have 16:9. This is the aspect ratio. Okay, you can actually make your trace here. So mine did not show initially, but because of the way I'm actually recording. Okay, so this is it. Just select any aspect ratio that you want to work with. So right now the video generating is quite slow. That is why Grok is actually more like the best, although we don't have access to it like before. So this one is quite slow. So finally our video will be generated. All you can do is click on it. Just click on download here. So you download it to your device. As you can see, that we downloaded to our device. So let me play this video right now.
Grok is no longer free again? Don't stress, I'll show you better free alternatives. Just watch this video.
This one, the avatar is able to talk, unlike the SuperGrok AI. So this one, there's perfect lip sync attached to it. If you want your avatar to speak, you can use Grok AI. And if you just want to maybe animate itself without any kind of voice or anything, you can use SuperGrok AI. You can also use Gwen. All you have to do is remove that place where it has to do with dialogue. So before we move on to the next two, which you don't even have to sign up to create an account, make sure you've liked this video, you subscribe to this channel so you can keep getting amazing tutorials like this. So now let's explore the last Grok alternative. So this is it. We're using Meta AI. This is the third Grok alternative that you can try. Go to your App Store or Play Store and search for Meta AI. So you can either access Meta AI via the app, or you come to the website to access it. So this is Meta AI. You don't need to sign up to have access to it. As long as you have a Facebook account or an Instagram account, you automatically have an account with Meta AI. All you have to do is make sure that you are logged in each of them, either your Facebook account or your Instagram account. You are good to go. So when you come here, the first thing you're going to do here is this particular plus sign, which is where you're going to upload your image that you want to animate. This place where you have Ask Meta AI, so you're going to paste your prompt. So when you come here, you can either click on this place where you have create a video from my photo, then you start generating. Okay, so I don't really like going through that spread. I just click on this plus sign and upload my image, and I'm good to go. So I uploaded my image, and I also pasted that same prompt that I used on Zsky AI, Gwen AI, here on Meta AI as well. Okay, so I've pasted the prompts here, and I'm going to click on this place where I have this arrow, that is to send it to start generating my video. So it's generating, we have to wait for it. So our video is generating. It's not as slow as Gwen, at least it's still okay. It's actually faster than the rest of the other tools. So this is how you animate your image with Meta AI. So I'm going to download this right now. I'm going to click on it.
Grok is no longer free again. Don't stress. I'll show you better free alternatives. Just watch this video.
So you can compare these platform results together, and you can check the one that was best for you. And you can even use 3 of them at the same time, just to make sure that you're able to stay consistent, animate your images, and post them on your various social media platforms. So if you want to learn how to effectively use these tools to create faceless content that are monetizable on social media platforms, you can join my free AI community. The link is in the description. And if you got value from today's video, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you get notified when I drop amazing tutorials like this. I am Abasi, and I care about how your brand is being perceived. See you in the next one.
Grok is no longer free again? Don't stress, I'll show you better free alternatives. Just watch this video.
Grok is no longer free again. Don't stress. I'll show you better free alternatives. Just watch this video.